My name is Jeff Collins, and I'm the Deputy Director of Public Service at Laramie County Library System, the oldest continuously operating county library system in the United States. And our mission is to encourage and support lifelong learning and adventure. And I'm excited today to talk to you about the 2021 Summer Reading Challenge. From May 21st to August 16th, 2021, anyone can sign up to read. The Summer Reading Challenge helps young children build reading and language skills and prevents the summer backslide that most children experience during the summer when they're out of school. It motivates teens to read and discuss literature and encourages adults to experience the joy of reading. Participants are encouraged to read 20 minutes a day for 1,200 minutes total. And any type of reading counts, including books, ebooks, audiobooks, magazines, newspaper, whatever works for you. Reading is what's important. You can track your minutes online and earn digital badges along the way. And you can also use the Beanstack app to log your reading and your family's reading as well. Everyone that completes the challenge is eligible to receive a prize pack filled with great prizes, including a book for children and teens to begin developing their own home library. And adults also get a great prize as well. All participants have the opportunity to receive prize tickets that they can enter into drawings for really cool prizes like Chromebooks, Yeti coolers, gift cards to local businesses, Lego sets, really cool things like that. And anyone may purchase commemorative t-shirts and tote bags as well. And we're offering lots of fun virtual events, as well as a few in-person outdoor events this summer. So I encourage you to join the Summer Reading Challenge for 2021 and believe the impossible.